Ready? Hello, welcome back everybody. So today we're going to be doing this Emma and Liz box. My mom's right now there, my dad's filming, and my brother's in his room like always. So at the end I'm going to be singing. So yeah. So let's open this thingy up. So let's see. What is your Emma and Liz box? Sweet as can be. Emma and Liz. Glitter sparkle headband. This cute little glitter sparkle headband. Okay, so I'm going to put it on so you guys can also see what it does. Glitter sticker sparkle clutch. Let me see the clutch. This is my glitter sparkle clutch. Cute for school. You can like put pencils and pins in it. So I'm going to just put that to the side. See, scented velvet candy scrunchie. It's scented and it's very strong. So, yeah, I think it might be like jelly beans. Yep, it's jelly beans. So, it smells like jelly beans. So, it's like this, and it smells like jelly beans. What? So, we're going to put that
Put it on your wrist.
Huh?
Put it on your wrist.
This, it stinks. Elsie does. Do you want to smell it? Take it, smell it.
It smells good.
It's so strong though, so I'm gonna put that over there. So that scented mini journal. So this cute little donut journal is scented to be a journal. It smells like donuts. So yeah. It has a scented notepad. I wish it was edible. So we're going to just open this up. So and it has a cute little gel pen. It smells very good. The pages don't smell like anything, but this cover, it smells very good. Do you want to smell it? And it has this cute little gel pen right here. It's glittery and little. Very cute to write like secret notes inside. And then you can just smack the gel pen right back into there like that. So then we got that. Let's see, what's next? Rainbow candy scratches. And we got this. Ooh. So we're going to put that on my wrist. Since it doesn't smell. See, rainbow candy inspired bracelet. You and this bracelet were meant to be together. It doesn't smell. I wish you would eat it though. And next thing up, it's the biggest in the world. Scented squishy backpack clip, and it's scented. I may need a lot of help opening it. Scissors. I'll say on these scissors, Mom. So it has cute little emojis on there. And then we got this nice, cute little cupcake squishy that's very squishy. You may smell it. And Emma and Liz, girls, don't forget to tag us in our social media posts. Use hashtag #EmanLizGirl or submit your photos viral email to extrakey.com. We would love to feature you on our site. So bye-bye. Now I'm going to sing a little quick song. Squishes, 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 like delicious, delicious. I can't find it now. And now all of my family are going to say the end. 3, 2, 1.
The end.